Look at this place, everyone. This is a very old and abandoned house, and it looks a little bit scary under the moonlight tonight.
Wow, this is amazing, Dad. Do you think there is a real ghost or a big monster hiding inside this haunted house?
We'll see.
I want to see it.
Are you really sure about this, Tom? It does not look safe at all for the children, and I am very worried about the old floor.
Please, Leo, stop talking about ghosts and monsters. You know that I am very scared of the dark, and I want to go home now.
Don't be afraid, my dear children. I am right here with you, and I will protect our family from everything. Let's walk together slowly.
Oh my goodness. It is so dusty and dirty in here. I can also smell something very strange, like old cheese and wet wood.
Look at all these big spider webs on the ceiling.
It feels like we are walking through a deep and dark jungle in a movie.
It sure does, buddy.
It is too dark and quiet here, Mom. I can hear the wind blowing outside, and it sounds like someone is whispering my name.
Look at these old paintings on the wall. They are covered in dust, but we can still see the beautiful colors from a long time ago.
Hey, Dad, look over there in the corner. There is something very big and very strange sitting near the old wooden chair.
Oh my. Is that a mermaid statue? She looks so real and so beautiful.
She looks like a princess from my storybooks. But why is she sitting all alone in this cold and abandoned house, Mom?
She looks very sad, like she is waiting for someone to help her. Do you think she is a real mermaid from the deep ocean? Everyone, come here quickly! I found a very old bathtub in this room, and the water inside is shining with rainbow colors.
Wow, the water is so pretty and glowing. It looks like magic liquid from a fairy hand tale.
I think this magic water can help the mermaid. Let's take some of it back to the living room and see what happens next.
I will pour this magic water on the mermaid statue.
You're free.
Thank you so much, kind family. I have been trapped in that cold house for 100 years, waiting for Save Me. You are welcome, Princess. My name is Leo, and this is my family. We are very happy to help you find your voice again.
It is time to go home and have a big breakfast. We had a wonderful adventure today, and we will never forget this mermaid.
Goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching our adventure. Don't forget to learn English and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.